This is the REDMI Smart Band Pro, beautiful AMOLED screen smart band with always-on display. You just saw it at the beginning. Swipe down, you get notifications pushed from your phone. You can loop around to all kinds of screens. Here's the exact current heart rate and your chart over the past 24 hours. Here's your latest blood oxygen reading with the past hourly measurements as well. You got a stress monitoring capability in this one, showing you your average and max and minimum, and you got last night's sleep time. Beautiful colors on this watch. You have activities, including workouts for walking and swimming and all kinds of different activities. It will tie to the GPS of your phone, integrate the two together, and proceed to give you a reading of your activity. And then you've got all these other different controls like a flashlight, alarms, do not disturb. You can make vibration go on and off, whatever you like to do on that. And of course your settings where you can change your display band, including download other ones from a server like this one. You have workouts in different kinds, including swimming, walking, running, trekking, over 100 different activities, and you can add or subtract from the list to make them your favorites. Your activity will show you exactly what you have done, and it's stored on the watch and transferred to your phone, including heart rate, pace, cadence, you name it. If you've got it on there, it'll be there. You have overall status for your walking, heart rate, you saw those tiles, blood oxygen, sleep, stress, and a breathing exercise. You inhale and exhale, and it'll help guide you through softening your breath. If you're registered as a female, you can set your cycle in here and see a colorful map and include the information on when the different period processes are happening. You got weather in your area, music player, remote camera, alarms. I mean, it just goes on and on and on. Stopwatch, timers, find your phone. There's the flashlight again, and overall settings. In terms of build quality, it's amazing. It's really solidly built. No buttons on this. It's all 5 ATM waterproof and completely sealed. Red diodes, green diodes, charging port here. Excellent watch. It's the REDMI Smart Band Pro. Check it out.